right in here's the bathroom. That's where Tom's at. So we're kind of starting right through here. This hardwood is going to end up coming up from this point into the bathroom. We're going to be tiling all that out. This vanity and stuff's going to be coming out. We're going to do them a custom vanity top right here, or the vanity itself. And all right, you guys, welcome back to the finish. Look, check this out. I'm going to be secretive. I ain't going to let you see it all right out the gate. So, long story short, we're missing about 3 or 4 knobs. No big deal. We'll be getting them here real soon. Look, the mirror. This is one of our sconces up here we're still missing. There's that crown mold. So that crown mold turned out slick. Just a beautiful shop vacked out all their drawers. And then for anybody who didn't see it the other day, look at this. Right here from Miss Susan. Check that out. Man, that's slick. Moving on in. Countertop in here where Tom's at. We've got another one, and we're still indecisive here. So we got a lot to tear out, and that's going to help better determine, you know, as far as we got cabinet lighting underneath. Look at that. There's her little sconce right there. The backsplash. All the details, look, check it. It's got receptacles in both of these little side doors here. The crown mold, look at their natural light though, coming in from both those skylights. There's her other sconce over there. The backsplash on this, got all the hardware in. And there's the last little knob there we're missing. That's why we left the tape on there. Beautiful lights and mirrors and stuff from interior, or Winterior, so sorry. Actually, so here, moving on in, this garden tub's gonna be coming out. We've got this pony wall full of marble here, kind of beefed up. That's the doors for underneath for the housing with the pump and all that stuff. We got the toilet here, and believe it or not, this is a 16-foot vaulted, look at that, got the 2 skylights up there. That's just the decorative beam work. It's hollow.